one. And coat. 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 Coat.
Nice, you finished it already. So you found all these.
This is
Okay.
A1,
Okay.
B1,
Mm-hmm.
C1, A1,
Two.
A2, B2, C2, D2.
Okay. So it says here, it's bingo. Write the word. So it means what's under A1 if you like that. Then if you like, what do you call that? If you
This?
yeah. What is under what's the picture under column A and column 1? What can you see?
I see.
You see I?
I see the hat. And
Is it
boots.
is it 1? It's like that, oh. So this is 1, right? This is A, right? And this is 1. So if you cross them together, what can you get?
A2. It's A1.
Yeah, A1. What's under A1? Globe. Globe. What's under A1? What's the picture under A1?
This or this?
Where's the A first?
Where's the A first? Where's the A? Where's the 1?
Where's the one?
That. Oh, so if you like cross them, it's like that. If you like
I don't know bingo.
no, I mean just disregard.
Which picture they meet?
Well, yeah, where did they meet?
Is it socks?
Yeah,
Sweater?
it's a socks, because if it is sweater, then it's under B already. It's not A. So what we're looking for is under A and under 1. So there's only one picture that is under A and under 1. That's the socks. If you pick boots, it's under C. So it should be C1, but we're looking for A1. So it's gonna do like that. You're gonna do like that. You're gonna get socks. So you need to write socks there under A1.
I can't
Spell
write
it.
small. I can
You can
just
see the spell.
write big.
Yeah, you can write big.
I don't see the letters.
Here, you can see here socks.
Oh.